Human Rights Day is celebrated annually across the world on 10 December. This date has been chosen to honor the United Nations General Assembly's adaptation and proclamation. In simple words, we celebrate this day to raise awareness about people's social, cultural, and physical rights and to ensure the welfare of everyone. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights.
Now, as we all study about human rights in our class textbooks, we are aware of them. But are others who are illiterate, are they aware of their rights? We don't know if they are aware of their rights, and even if they are, why to bail on them? On the occasion of human rights, we as students would like to make everyone aware of their rights.
Also, when South Africa held its first democratic election, with Nelson Mandela elected as its first democratic president, 21st March Human Rights Day was officially proclaimed a public holiday. Now we will list down some basic human rights here. First, freedom of thought states that everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience, religion. This right includes freedom to change his or her religion or belief and freedom.
Second is freedom for education, freedom of speech, freedom of movement from a state to a country or a state to state. Right to information is also a major right in which person can inquire about government and its policies. This all comes under Right to Information Act 2005.
Thank you, Om and Krisha. Right to assembly is also an important human right which guarantees to all citizens of India right to assemble peaceably and without arms, which is without weapons. We hope you all liked our small initiative of making everyone aware of their rights. Thank you.